Hi, my name's Lily. I'm a third year sociology student here at Cardiff University. In this vlog, you're going to see a little snippet of my life at Cardiff. I have loved all 3 years of Cardiff University. There's such a great balance between academic life and student life. It's such a buzzing city, and the School of Social Sciences is an amazing school with such supportive lecturers and amazing modules. I'm currently studying my last 3 modules, which is Sociology of Disaster, Environment and Human Health, as well as my dissertation module. So in this vlog, you're going to see some snippets of those lectures, as well as a little bit of the university campus and just how I would go about my day. So I really hope this vlog will inspire you to come to Cardiff. We'll show you a bit about what life will be like at Cardiff. And I hope you enjoy. So as you can see here, this is where the second and third year housing is located. It is called Cathays. It's the student housing area, and it's where I walk through every day to get to my lectures and get to the main site of university campus.
Here's the main building. This isn't a sociology building, it's chemistry, but there's a lovely library up there.
So this is inside main building, where I had my first lecture of the day. Most of my lectures are either 50 minutes or an hour and 50 minutes long. And then heading to my second lecture of the day, again in main building, in a similar, this is what a lecture theatre would look like. We then went to the Students' Union to have a little break before the rest of the day. So just on our way to the last lecture of the day, which is a 4 till 5 lecture in the Glamorgan building. I spent the day in the library as it's starting to get to the assessment time of term, so things are starting to get a little bit more overwhelming with essays and things due. So in the third year, you get the option to write a dissertation. So this is what this lecture is in a different lecture theatre. We've just come out of our disaster lecture, which was in the Glamorgan building, just behind me. Oh, you can actually see it. And yeah, Dulcie, what did you think of that lecture? That was a very good lecture. It was on Chernobyl and the social implications of it, and it was very, very interesting. I liked it because of like history vibes instead of just theory based, and it was really, really interesting.
Very enthusiastic on that if there's one.
And yeah, now we're just going to walk home. It was a late lecture. So I really hope that vlog gave you a little insight into what it might be like to be a student at Cardiff University. I understand that choosing a university, going to a new city, starting a new subject, it's all very daunting, and I definitely resonate with that as my first year self. But honestly, within the first 2 weeks that I was in Cardiff, I felt right at home. It's a beautiful city with so much to offer, not just within the school, but socially. We've got the Students' Union, which is not just a place where students can come to hang out, can come to work, but they also hold events, so club nights there. There's also concerts in the Great Hall, which is part of the Students' Union. Everything you'll need is in the Students' Union. And it's a really accessible place. The halls that you'll start off with in first year are a great place to meet your first friends, who I'm sure you will keep for a lifetime. They're really safe, they're really perfect home away from home, and I really enjoyed my time in halls. But once you come out of halls out of first year, you get to move into a student house, and it feels just like you're living an adult life but with your best friends. It's such a lovely experience. It's students all around you. Everything you'll need is in the student area. Academics, especially in the School of Social Sciences, has been amazing. I have loved all 3 years of sociology. I didn't do it as an A-level personally, and it's more than I could have ever wanted. I've studied education, I've studied sociology of gender, I've studied criminology, all just within my sociology degree. The lecturers and your personal tutors within this School of Social Sciences community are amazing. They are so knowledgeable in their research, and you will come away with not just a degree but so much knowledge about the world, and so much insight into the social world around you, which I think is so important. You'll also come away with so many life skills, so many new friends, and so many amazing experiences. So again, while it might be daunting, I hope this little vlog has shown you what a lovely city Cardiff is, what a lovely lifestyle you can lead at Cardiff University, and what a great subject sociology and social science is. Thank you very much for watching.